So let's look at this. I tried to match this up. This is just theory and conjecture. It's not absolute. It's just me trying to hook stuff up together. So this comes from the book, the Bible, Lamentations. Lamentations means to lament. It means you're sorry that you did something. It says, her gates are sunk into the ground. He hath destroyed and broken her bars. Her kings and her princes are among the Gentiles. So obviously we're talking about the Jews. The law is no more. Her prophets also find no vision from the Lord. This would equate to the Rainbow Bridge being busted. And if you remember this picture, if you looked at it, there's stars all around this thing, which is an explosion. Then let's jump up to the book of Daniel. And he shall speak great wonders against the Most High, this being CERN, this being the last one, and shall wear out the saints of the Most High, and think to change times and laws. Times and laws of physics. And they shall be given into his hands until a times, and a dividing of times. A time is 360 because it's a circle, it's a cycle. One cycle is 360. So it's a 360, 360, and then dividing of a time would be by 2, so that would be 360 divided by 2 would be 180, and that equals 720. And 720 equals 9. Actually, I'm sorry that I wrote that backwards, 270. That's 720. So you got 360 and 360 is 2 circles. That's 720. And then half of a circle is 180. So sorry, that was my mistake. This here is supposed to be a 720. 360 and 360 is 720 plus 180 equals 999. And then when we add that up, it comes up to 9. So all of this is referring back to the same thing. Here's the first one in the book of... Interesting that the name of the book is Lamentations, to lament. Like, oh, fuck, are we sorry we did that? And here's in the book of Daniel, which deals specifically with the end times, and the end times, if it is end, E-N-D, which I doubt, it's end probably, but whatever. You get the gist of it. Here's the picture that would go with this verse. Here's CERN that's trying to change laws and times. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. This one is trying to change what happened from the first time around. That's just my guess. There's nothing that says this is absolute. I'm just trying to give you biblical. This is supposed to be a 720. So my mistake on that. But it comes out to the same. It's a 7 and a 2. Like when I'm flying my airplane, the instructors will make you do what's called a 720, which is 2 circles. So that is just some theory on my part. But it still comes out to 9.